Hi students, in this video we are going to learn about exercise number 1.1, fifth problem. Use Euclid's lemma. We need to show that cube of any positive integer is of the form 9m, 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. First we have to write the Euclid's lemma. We all know that what is meant by Euclid's lemma. Euclid's lemma is nothing but dividends equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Suppose we are taking a as a dividend and b as a divisor, definitely we will be getting some quotient and we will be getting some remainder also. Definitely that remainder will be less than my b. My remainder can be start from 0. So 0, my remainder is greater than or equal to 0, that should be less than b. That is a Euclid's lemma. So any dividend a is equal to, if we multiple these two number, if I am adding with my remainder, definitely it will give the a. So bq plus r, here my r is this condition. This is my Euclid's lemma. From here my question is about 9. So 9, definitely we can go for 3 table, that will lead to 9 very easily. The same problem, only one thing we are going to consider b as 3. Remaining values we are going to take as it is. Here we are going to consider any number that we are going to divide it by 3. Definitely we will get some quotient and we will get some remainder also. So b alone we are going to take it as 3. So my remainder can be 0, 1, 2. It cannot be 3. If the 3 comes now, we will do the division once again. So this will be the value. So if b is equal to 3, what are all the values can be taken for a? A is equal to, we know that bq into bq plus r. So here my a can be 3q plus 0, or my a can be 3 into q plus 1, or my a can be 3q plus 2. We have only 3 cases. Any number can be represented in these 3 form. So now we are going to start the problem. We need to do all the case 3. So first case we are going to do now. Case 1. Here what is our question? We have to cube of any positive integer. I am considering a is my integer. I am going to cube that. So here the first case a is equal to 3q. We have to do cube on both sides. Cube on both sides, that will be a power 3 is equal to 3q the whole power 3. So a cube is equal to 3 cube will give you 27 and this will be q power 3 it will be. So a cube is equal to, I need to write in the form of 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So I am going to split this into 9 into 3. 27 can be written as 9 3s. That's why I am splitting this cube power 3. So this is in the form of 9m, where my m is equal to, here what is the place of m I am getting, that is 3 cube power 3. So my a cube is represented as 9 into some number, that number is 3q cube, like that we should write. So first case is over. Here we are going to do the second case, case 2. Case 2 is actually a is equal to 3q plus 1. Again we have to do cube on both sides. So we are doing cube on both sides. This will be a power 3, this will be 3q plus 1 the whole power 3. So this is look like a plus b the whole cube. We all know the formula a plus b the whole cube. I am writing here for your reference. So a power 3 plus b power 3 plus 3 a squared b plus 3a b squared. This is a plus b the whole cube formula. Here in the place of a I am going to write the 3q. In the place of b I am going to write the 1. So this is 3q plus 1 the whole cube is equal to, first of all I should write the 3q the whole cube. The place of b I have to take the 1. So 1q plus 3 into 3q the whole squared. So 3q the whole squared. B value 1 you don't need to write again. And plus this one 3 into a value is 3q. B squared, why I am not writing now? Again it will be 1. 1 into anything will be the same number. That's why I am not writing. Just multiply inside. This is 27q cube plus 1 plus this one squaring inside. 3 squared will become 9. 9 into 3 27. So 27q squared plus this is 9q. So we have 4 terms. All these 3 terms having 9 as a common number except this one. So we are going to take 9 outside from all these 3 terms. So I am taking the 9 outside. Here the remaining will be 3q power 3 plus from here I have taken the 9 outside, remaining will be 3q squared plus here also I am taken the 9 outside, the remaining will be q plus this 1 will come as it is. Now this is in the form of 9m plus 1. Here what is my m here means where my m is equal to the number which you have written inside the bracket, that is going to represent it as a m. So 3q plus 3q squared plus q will be written as a m. So that is your second case. Second case we are written as 9m plus 1. Now we are going to do for case 3. Here we will do the case 3 now. So case 3 the same pattern, but instead of 1 we will be going to get the 2. So a is equal to 3 cube plus 2 is my third case. Again cubing on, write cubing on both sides. So a cube is equal to 3 cube plus 2 the whole cube. A plus b the whole cube. Again the formula I am going to expand. A cube. So this is 3 cube the whole cube plus 2 cube plus 3a squared b. 3 into a squared b plus 3ab squared. So 3a and b squared is nothing but here what is my b? 2. So 2 squared you should write. So here 27 cube power 3 plus 8 plus here again this one 2 squared 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 into 2 will be 54 and q squared plus here 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36 q you should write. And from all these things here 9 table is common, here 9 table is common, here also 9 table is common except this 8. So from all these 3 terms you are going to take the 9 outside. So the remaining is here 3 q power 3 plus 9 6 q squared. From 9 4s are 36 q plus this 8 we can't take the 9 outside, the 8 alone you keep as it is. Now this is in the form of 9m plus 8 here where my m is equal to m is a number which is coming inside the bracket. So 3 q power 3 plus 6 q squared plus 4q. Here any number if you are taking and cubing on both sides means that number will end with 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So that is your result. Result you should write it as any positive integers. If you are cubing that integer that will end with 9m or 9m plus 1 or 9m plus 8. So hence proved. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, share with your friends. Subscribe our channel for more videos.